Hi everyone, this is Joannes and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is December 18, Friday, around 7 o'clock in the evening here in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, USA. So we just got home from Volcano Sushi Bar and Hibachi Restaurant. It's located at Sooner. We ordered food for pickup. It's for our dinner. So my spouse has already started um, enjoying her dinner, but for me, I decided to just include it on my vlog for you to be able to see what I usually order, the stuff or the things that I love from that restaurant. So let's start here. This is my um, tempura roll, shrimp tempura roll, and then I also ordered gyoza. Yeah, that one is also really good. Then, for my main dish, I ordered this hibachi grilled. I forgot how it's being called. Yeah, that one. Hibachi grilled, cooked with hibachi sauces and teriyaki sauce. So I chose scallop and shrimp. Yeah, look at that. And then it comes with rice, fried rice, then noodles, then some sauces, and then it also comes with soup. Yeah. Is this a miso soup, baby? Huh? Is it a miso soup? Yeah. So it comes with miso soup. And what is this rice? Yeah. There's rice there. And then house salad with its dressing. And then for my dessert, I ordered tiramisu cake. This one is really good. So usually my favorites are, I usually order this tiramisu, the shrimp tempura roll, and the miso soup. But this one, the hibachi grill, I don't usually order this. But when I'm really hungry, when I want to pig out, so I do get this one. I also like this one so much, but not as an appetizer. I usually eat it with my rice. Salad is alright. I'm not so much of a salad person, but I do appreciate it so much because of its dressing. The dressing on the house salad, baby, it's ginger, right? Is it the ginger dressing? I think so. I'm not really so sure about it. Mm, it doesn't say here if it's ginger dressing. I'm not really sure. Yeah. But this restaurant is really good. When they really do make good food. Yeah. With this pandemic going on, so we usually just order for to go or for pickup. And they're usually busy at night during dinner time. Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna say goodbye for now and I'll enjoy my dinner. Thanks for watching. Bye.